Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have the Cricut Carnival mystery box. I split it, but I haven't opened it. And this is my third box, and I'm loving them all so far. So let's get busy and see what we have. The first thing in the box is holographic sparkle iron-on. This is great. I'm thinking it's all in green. Yes, this one is all in green. Then I have the permanent glossy premium vinyl, and it is Bright's sampler, so these are the colors that are in it. I'm not going to have to buy any of this for a long time. Here I have the silver holographic sparkle iron-on. This is pretty neat. More of this. This is the transfer tape. Of course, most of what I have is an iron-on, but hey, we'll try it. Oh, this is a black iron-on. And it is also sparkly. That is going to be so cute. I'm going to make some little onesies with the bow ties on them. Next I have, this is heavy. This is vinyl. And I'm not seeing a color on it, but it looks kind of brown. This looks one color. So I'm assuming this is what you're going to get if you do a double. Kind of looks like a faux leather. And I have the gel pen set metallic dark pastels. Then a genuine leather to make these little clutches. Oh, that is nice. That's thick quality. And it's in camel. This is really nice. And the last thing in the box is my Cricut Cutie. It says flamingo. Isn't he cute? I have to hide this because every time little man comes in, he's looking at something on my desk to take. Oh my goodness. Isn't he just adorable? I love it. That is too cute. Come out of there. That is so stinking cute. Yeah, I have to put him up on the shelf somewhere where little man can't take him. He is too cute. Anyway, these boxes I think are well worth the price. Actually, you get more than what you're paying for it if you go into Michael's to buy them. So I suggest them. You can get them at Cricut.com. And like I said, this is my third box, and I don't know if they're going to do any more for the summer or not, but yeah, I've got Christmas covered with a lot of this box right here, and tons of t-shirts for the boys. So I do highly suggest you buy the Cricut boxes, because you just can't go wrong with them. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.